Hello students, welcome to Asansol North Point School e-learning classes. Now students, in our last video we have already started the division. Now we have seen that how to divide a two-digit number with a single-digit number. These things we have already seen. Three examples we have actually discussed in our previous video lectures, and the rest part I have told to you to solve by yourself. I hope all of you have solved the rest of the examples. Now in today's class students, so a two-digit number, how to divide a two-digit number with a single-digit number we have already seen. Now in today's class we are going to see if we divide a three-digit number with a single-digit number. Okay, this thing we are going to see in today's class. Okay, so let us take an example. So if I take a number such that if I have a number 253, okay, and if I want to divide this number with, okay, let us take 252, okay. So if the number is 252 and if I want to divide this number by 3, so what we have to do, what is the first digit? First digit is 2, but we can't divide 2 by 3, okay. So we have to take these two numbers, 25, okay. Now what is the multiplication table of 3? So if we count that 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, so you will get up to 3 eights are 24, okay. So 24 is there. Now we have to subtract this 24 from 25, so we will get 1 and then we will get 2. Now again the table of 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12, okay. We will get a 0 here, okay. So our quotient part is 84, okay. So this is our quotient part, okay. So this is a three-digit number. Now just have a look, it is nothing but a three-digit number, 256. So we have done the division of a three-digit number by a one-digit number. 3 is a one-digit number, okay. Now few examples are there, so let us discuss one or two examples to clear your concept, okay. Now just have a look, 243 is there and 3 is there, so we have to divide this 243 number by 3, okay. Now same thing happens here, that you can see here 2, we can't divide 2 by 3, okay. So we have to take this whole 24. Now again the table of 3, okay. So you have already known that if we count the table of 3, then we will get that 3 eights are 24, okay. So 3 eights are 24 means there is a 0. Now this 3 will come down, this 3 will come down here. Now again the table of 3, 3 ones are 3, so we are writing here 1, 3, 3 ones are 3, we will get a 0, okay. So your quotient part, what is your quotient part? So this is your quotient part, okay, 81, okay. So if we divide 243 by 3, we will get this number which is 81. Let us take another example. Just have a look, 552, okay. 552 is the number and we have to divide this number by 8. Now same thing, the first digit is 5. Now we have already known that 5 is what? Lesser than 8, so we have to take this 55 number, okay. Now the table of 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, okay. So 8 6 are 48, but 8 sevens are 56, so 56 is greater than 55, okay. So we have to take 8 6 are 48, okay. So 48 now we have to divide, so you can see here 8 is there and 5 means 15, that means 7, okay. And this 2 will come down, okay, because 7 is lesser than 8. Okay, again the table of 8. So if you count the table of 8, so 8 nines are 72 and you will get a 0 here. Okay, clear? So if we divide this 552 by 8, we will get 69. Okay, so this is nothing but a division of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, which is 8. Okay, now there are many more examples are there. You can see here that 224. Okay, 224 you have to divide it by 4. Then 539 you have to divide it by 7. 140 you have to divide it by 5. 222 you have to divide it by 6. Okay, now 3 more examples are there. 448 which you have to divide by 8. 567 you have to divide by 9, and 387 you have to divide by 9. Now I want you to solve these 336 and 17, this 7. Okay, this 7 division I want you to solve you by yourselves. Okay, now students, you have seen that how much the multiplication table is important to solve this division also. Okay, because if you don't know the table of 9, you can't solve this. Okay, so the multiplication table is very much important, not only in the case of multiplication but also in the case of division also. Okay, so practice properly this worksheet, students, and we will be meeting in our next video session with a new topic. So thank you for today's class, students.